Okay, this song here demands a certain amount of crazy and also demands that you pay particular attention to this note here. The open E note. Yes, the open E note here. When I was up in the abandoned gold mines of Lost Forest Canyon, California, and working on songs, I came up with this arrangement of one of my favorite Bruce Springsteen songs. What struck me about this was that E sounded a lot like that Tibetan monk chant. So the lyric of this song, the Springsteen song, it kind of always reminded me of the kind of a holy kind of pilgrimage. There was always this like, it kind of concerns driving out of New York City over into Rutherford there, over in East Rutherford there, and if you take that ride, you're kind of riding over all the gas refineries there, and it's like you're really literally like driving through a star field if you run that. Doing that, so I came up with a song back in like 2006, prior to the Seeger sessions, mind you. And it's a Springsteen song called "Open All Night." Yeah.